All right, welcome. I know it's been a super long time since I have heard from me as far as my trading progression, and I'm committing to making more YouTube videos because it's truly a passion for mine to reach out to as many women as possible to just let them know that this is not as hard as people think it is. Learning to trade and invest in the forex market, um, it's easy. It's simple. It's all about having the right mentorship, being connected to the right educational platform so that you can get the foundation and just growing on that skill from your journey's beginning. So, I wanted to do this special segment just to show women how easy it is to prepare for your trading week, because I know one of the biggest things that we deal with as women is time management. We wear so many hats. So we're trying to be mom, we're trying to be housekeeper, we're trying to help with homework, we're trying to get ready for fast for the kids. And it's just when you do have that time for yourself, you just kind of want to unwind, maybe get a glass of wine and unwind. You know what I mean? So this is actually something that you can do while you're sipping on that glass of wine. Instead of watching TV that's not going to, bring anything positive back into your life, get on the charts and you'll see how quick it is for you to just really assess the market. Granted, coming up on 2 years with my trading journey now, so I've been doing this for a while. But once you learn the foundation, literally, it's just some lines on the chart, and you learn to not predict, but you learn to wait for reactions off certain area points in the market, and then that's how you get in your trade. So what I want to do is Euro USD. That's one of my pairs that I do trade. However, I didn't trade it last week, so this is a perfect time for me to mark up my charts. So let's clear everything off. So this is what I do on Sundays. The market opens, of course, the forex market is 24/7, right? So you don't have to worry about, oh, I'm too busy. You can make some time. It opens up Sunday at 5 p.m. and then it closes Friday at 5 p.m. So, and it's, overnight. So if after putting the kids to bed, if that's a better time for you to trade, you can do that. So I'm just about to get straight to it. Just show you what I do. I'm not gonna verbally walk you through it, because that's what you get when you join the team. You can get all of my sauces and learn, but you'll be able to see kind of what I'm doing. But it's honestly not that difficult. Basically, only thing that you learn how to do is you just trap price, and you get a bias of where price wants to go, and then you wait for that to play out, and you get your good entry into the market. I'm just trapping my monthly pricing, going down to my weekly so I can get a better view to see what it did for the week, and finding my good points there as well. So I just vibe out, listen to some music, let the noise out from the week. And this is important. You do have to kind of take your time and make sure that what you're doing is right. So that way, when you do get ready to get on the charts, if you don't have a lot of time, you can quickly just, since you already have your markup there, all you're doing is getting on the charts and figuring out where price is going to go from there. So you don't have to, if you do take your time on this part, you don't have to worry about what to do when you first get on the chart during the week. So I make sure that this part is done and it's done accurately so that I can get to the bag when the time comes. And I like to listen to some nice little vibe music, and just chill out. Like, it's soothing, it's relaxing for me. Like, I enjoy doing this. I was able to walk away from my job after 4 months of learning how to trade. Now, it was an aggressive goal, and was I at the level that I wanted to be 100% at the time? No, but I knew I was tired of asking for permission to take time off, asking for permission to go to my kids' choral performances and things of that nature. So I wanted something to get my time freedom back, and that's exactly what I did. So now that I have my price boxed in, I'm just kind of seeing where was the market before, and that way I can predict where it's gonna, not predict, let me stop saying that. I can try to forecast where price, because price basically it returns to various points, and you'll notice that it's just history repeats itself. So you learn to find patterns and things of that nature to be able to assess where the market may react from. So that's what we're doing, is seeing what the market did before, so we can figure out where the market may react and go from there. So I mean, crazy, because everything that you learn in elementary school, you can actually use it in the Forex market. We deal with M's and W's and lines, and vertical lines and horizontal lines. A lot of people think, oh my gosh, I have to be good at math. I don't know why that comes to mind, but it's not true. You don't have to know anything about math at all. So I'm just mapping out what price did, last few movements of the market. And that's it. And so I'll just wait and get the current price. Once I see what current price is, I wait for my move, and I go from there. So as you can see, I'm almost done. This didn't take me long at all. And I can just be on about my day, and just you can set alerts. So when you know that you're waiting for price to push to a certain point, you would set alerts and go from there. Nice little W pattern here that I was talking about. So we have the down, up, down, up. So if we was waiting on this before, we would get in on this second leg of the W, and we would have had all of this profit right here. So let's measure where that would have been after it cleared my daily target, and I knew it was going in an uptrend. It would have been up 80 pips. So basically a pip is a price, percentage in price. So this is our price over here. So it's just a movement in price over time. It shows you the change in movement in price. So if we had a dollar lot, which is basically what you're owning of your trade in the market, the lot size. So if we had a dollar lot size on that particular trade, we would have made $80 with no drawdown. Getting in the market on our W after it broke that middle neckline here. And we would have just taken it up to we actually could have taken it up to this position here when price stopped before. And our stop loss, which is where you want the market to take you out if for some reason the trade doesn't go in your direction, would be below the low, previous low. Since we're going for a buy, we want the market to go up. Our take profit would be up here where price marked before, or that could be your first take profit level, and then I would actually take it up to my daily target here so that I can hold this trade over time. And then you just always want to make sure, so this is saying like I have a risk to reward for 4.47. So from what I'm risking, I'm trying to make 4 times that. And that's what's important as far as trading, is you want to make sure that the risk to reward is there. You're not risking more than you're trying to gain. So if I was doing a dollar lot size again, I would be risking $40 to gain $182. Sounds good to me. So I didn't want this to be a long drawn out video. I just wanted to show how quickly it took me to jump on a chart and assess the market. And I'm gonna make my my alerts for the week. So I want where I want to see price push to before I feel like it's going to reject again. So my alert will probably be up here because this is my daily target. This is my weekly high. So I know for sure if price pushes up to this point, it's definitely going to turn around. And then you just practice patience and wait for that trade to play out and go to your other pairs if that trade isn't ready for a trade. So if you like what you've seen here and you think this is something that you definitely want to get more information about, I always tell people knowledge is power. So don't just not do it because you don't know what it is or you've heard about it or somebody else may not have had success in it. They might not have been connected to the right people. They might not have been connected to the right trading platform. So I definitely have experience under my belt. Right now, I'm in the process of trying to be approved for I will be approved. Let me speak that into existence for a trading firm where they're actually going to provide me with the capital to trade. So that is your ultimate level of your goal is where you don't have to put money in the market. You let somebody else give you the money and you trade with it because your skill has been progressed so much. So I look forward to hearing back from you. Definitely continue to check out my channel. I will be posting more videos, I promise. Trades that I get in this week, I'm going to try to post before and after so you guys can just really go on the journey with me. But I just want to be able to spread this word to as many women as possible, and I hope that I hear from you soon. God bless and take care. This is Dynasties signing out.